Welcome back to the Wildfarm Homestead and Off-Grid channel. So yeah, we just fed the chickens for you guys, all busy showing you that footage. Just want to give a shout out to all the people around the world looking at our videos. Please subscribe, we need more subscribers. Yeah, we're going to keep making videos. Follow us on the journey. Welcome back to the channel, guys. How's all the wild farmers doing? So yeah, today we're doing another episode. We got some food scraps. No, doggies. No. Calm down, calm down. Sorry. Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we threw the scraps for them. They're all enjoying the scraps. All around. Another day with chickens. Yeah, it's a bit of chaos at the moment. We've got those 5 Brahmas there. But they weren't part of this flock, so we're still struggling to introduce them. They went underneath there. Here they are. These other ones are still pulling them a bit. Just forgot the police. Come on guys, come. Go that side. Go to your. Go that side. Go to that side. Go to your. Go to your. What do you mean side?
Woohoo!
Give them some food, yeah. So yeah. They weren't part of the other ones. They're growing up fast.
Yes. He's a giant chicken. Giant. Maybe it's them spot.
Oh no. Okay, so now we're going in for the eggs.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go, guys. This is how we harvest here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's go to the next one. There we go. There we go. There you go. There you go. There we go. Yep. I think there is one or two this side. Yep. Here's one. Yeah. Yeah, these days a little bit less because of the weather.
You think?
Yeah, the weather is just yeah, I close that side.
So in here we've got some aloe verox. We put some aloe in the water as it keeps them healthy. The aloe keeps it healthy. So at the moment we're still watering with these, but we will eventually make it automatic as well.
Yes.
Sit. Sit for me. Yes, sit. No, sit. Sit. Beautiful day out here. Quite dry, we need some more rain.
Yes, guys.
Everyone outside there on the internet, around the world, nice to have you on our channel. For the new guys, please click subscribe. There's a lot of people viewing our videos that's not subscribing. We need more subscribers, so yeah, please
Yes, guys.
keep going.
Please subscribe.
Stay well out there. Awesome, Tompi. Yeah, that was better than the last few days. We've been getting less than 20. We've been getting around 12.
Yeah, I think because of the
Cold again.
Cold again, yeah. Temperatures.
Yeah, and that's homesteading. Always up and down. Farming, always up and down. Then more, then less.
Yes.
Then more, then less. So, yeah, we just came to check now, like, if there's some eggs outside here, because yeah, we had a feeling maybe we had some less eggs because of that, but no, I think they're still lying inside. Because they're walking outside, yeah, free ranging in the day outside the coop. Subscribe to our channel yet, please subscribe. So yeah, follow our journey here on the wild farm in Africa, South Africa, garden route South Africa. We'll be posting some more videos for you guys, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Still a few things we have to change here. Free range eggs going, and follow us along. So this is what we got for today. Food for you on the farm. Well, yeah, that's what it is. Cheers, cheers, cheers. yeah, we've got chickens on the farm, we've got bonsmaras on the farm, we've actually got some sheep as well. But yeah, first things first, chickens and bonsmara cows. Please leave some comments below if you guys got any questions. Yeah, we're trying to build the channel and grow as we go along. And yeah, it will be interesting and nice to connect with more of you people around the world. And yeah, welcome to the channel. Yeah, we'll keep you updated with some more as we go along. We post once a week. A long form video, we do more shorts, but the long forms we try to do once a week, so you guys can follow us on the journey. Yeah, so we've actually been going as a accommodation establishment for 20 years almost now. So, but yeah, we've always been farming, we've always had cows. But yeah, this YouTube thing is new for me. And yeah, it's just nice to be creative, shoot videos, make interesting farming content. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the videos, please click subscribe. And yeah, follow us on the journey. And yeah, thanks for everybody around the world, America, Indians, everybody that's enjoying the videos. Thank you very much. Much love.